Namaste, dear seeker. Today begins your journey into one of the most mysterious, secretive, and powerful practices in Kriya Yoga, Khechari Mudra. This technique is considered a divine gateway to higher states of consciousness and immortality in ancient yogic texts. In Part 1, we will explore its meaning, history, myths, and preparation practices to understand this sacred mudra with deep reverence. 1. What is Khechari Mudra? Khechari Mudra is often called the king of all mudras. The Sanskrit word Khechari comes from Kha, space, ether, sky, Chari, moving or roaming, meaning one who moves in the inner space. In practice, it is the rolling back of the tongue into the nasopharynx cavity, enabling prana to flow into the brain, opening higher spiritual centers, and disconnecting the mind from bodily limitations. 2. Khechari Mudra in ancient texts. In the Hatha Yoga Pradipika, it is said, by this mudra, the yogi drinks the divine nectar, amrita, and conquers disease, decay, and death. Similarly, Garanda Samhita and Shiva Samhita mention Khechari as a technique too. Activate Sahasrara, crown chakra. Enable Kundalini awakening. Attain states of deep samadhi. 3. Myths and legends surrounding Khechari. Many seekers believe it is just a tongue exercise, but ancient masters taught it as a divine gateway to immortality and bliss. It is said that Lord Shiva taught Parvati Khechari Mudra to experience the nectar of immortality within her own being. 4. Preparation before attempting Khechari Mudra. Before trying to insert the tongue upwards, one must prepare gradually to avoid injuries or energy imbalances. Jiva Shodhana, tongue cleansing. Clean your tongue daily with a copper scraper to maintain hygiene and sensitivity. B. Jiva Mula Dohan, milking the tongue. Hold your tongue with a clean cloth and gently pull it outwards to increase its flexibility. Repeat 5 to 10 times daily. See mandala practice. In ancient traditions, a mandala, 48 days of tongue stretching, mental focus, and diet purity was done before any further attempt. 5. The secret science behind Khechari. Modern science shows that stimulating the roof of the mouth, soft palate area, activates the vagus nerve, which reduces stress, lowers heart rate, enhances calm focus, activates parasympathetic nervous system, supports pineal and pituitary gland stimulation for melatonin and serotonin balance. But yogic science goes further. It says this tongue lock allows prana to bypass bodily circuits and enter sushumna, facilitating higher samadhi. 6. Dangers of forcing Khechari Mudra. Never attempt to cut or force the tongue, as some tantric texts mention, without an experienced guru. Forcing the tongue can damage nerves, cause infections, or create severe energy imbalances leading to psychic disturbances. Always remember, Khechari is not just a physical practice. It is an energetic and spiritual unfolding. Imagine a lotus blooming. It does not tear open its petals forcefully. It unfolds naturally under the sun's warmth. Similarly, Khechari Mudra unfolds when your body, mind, and prana are purified and prepared. Rushing brings harm, but patience brings nectar. Now we move from understanding to practical guidance, deeper insights, and mystical experiences that unfold on this sacred path. 1. How to practice Khechari Mudra safely. Step-by-step guide, Stage 1. Step 1. Comfortable seated posture. Sit in Padmasana, Siddhasana, or Sukhasana with your spine erect and shoulders relaxed. Step 2. Relax and breathe. Take a few rounds of deep abdominal breathing to center yourself. Step 3. Roll the tongue upwards. Gently curl the tip of your tongue upwards to touch the hard palate, then extend it backwards along the soft palate as far as it naturally goes. Step 4. Hold and breathe normally. Maintain this position comfortably, breathing calmly through the nose. Feel your awareness rising towards Ajnana chakra, third eye. Note, in the beginning, your tongue may only reach the junction of hard and soft palate. Over time, flexibility will increase. 2. Advanced progression, stage 2 onwards. Once you can hold stage 1 comfortably for 5 to 10 minutes daily, you may progress to stage 2. Tongue moves further back to touch the uvula. Stage 3. Tongue slips past the uvula into the nasopharynx cavity. Stage 4. In rare advanced stages, the tongue enters deeper spaces behind the nasal cavity. Warning: never force these stages. Advanced insertion requires years of gradual stretching under a realized guru's guidance and is not necessary for meditative benefits for most seekers. 3. Signs of progress in Khechari Mudra. Salivation increases initially, then reduces as practice stabilizes. Breath naturally becomes shallow or may pause effortlessly, Kavala Kumbhaka. A feeling of coolness or subtle nectar dripping in the throat region. Enhanced concentration, inner silence, and blissful states. Activation of Ajnana chakra and deepening of meditation experiences. 4. Spiritual effects of Khechari Mudra. According to yogic texts, it blocks the downward flow of prana, apana, and reverses it upwards through sushumna. It seals the bindu, nectar, from dripping down and being consumed by fire, preserving vital energy. It awakens Sahasrara, crown chakra, leading to divine union and liberation. The yogi drinks the nectar of immortality, Amrita, and remains forever in bliss. 5. Risks and precautions. Avoid if you have throat infections or severe tongue ulcers. Never attempt cutting the frenulum, Khechari Kriya, without traditional guru initiation. Forcing deeper stages can cause choking sensations or energy imbalances. Always practice on an empty stomach and after preliminary pranayama to stabilize energy. 6. Integrating Khechari Mudra in your Kriya Yoga practice. Ideal sequence. 1. Kapalbhati, Bhastrika, energize. 2. Nadi Shadana, purify nadis. 3. Kriya Pranayama, awaken Sushumna. 4. Khechari Mudra plus meditation, stabilize consciousness and access deeper samadhi. During Kriya Pranayama, maintain Khechari Mudra gently as it completes the energetic circuit. 7. Mystical experience reflection. Imagine a lamp burning under a glass cover. When you lift the cover, the flame rises freely, merging with the air around it. Khechari Mudra lifts the cover from your pranic flame, allowing it to rise and merge with the cosmic prana. Dear seeker, Khechari Mudra is not just a tongue lock. It is a practice of surrender, patience, and divine alignment. Let it unfold gradually within you with humility and devotion. Comment below. I embrace the secrets of Khechari with humility and patience. Subscribe and stay tuned for our upcoming videos on advanced Kriya, pranayama techniques, and the deepest mysteries of Kundalini awakening.